Hi there, welcome to Universal's Endless Summer Resort, the Dockside. We moved this morning from the Disney Hotel over to back to Universal property. And we're staying the Dockside. So this is a what's it called? Just a suite, like a family suite. I'm just going to give you a quick room tour. So as you walk in, you can see it's all open plan. So you've got a nice little seating area here, which is absolutely ideal really, because you could have your own, make your own dinner if you like. Little bench there. Really good sized fridge in this one. Microwave. Tiny little sink. Shelves. Cutlery drawer. Coffee machine. And this is the vanity unit. Double basins, lovely big mirror, tiny little hairdryer, and anyone uses them things is beyond me. The bathroom, so the bathroom's a lot smaller, but hey ho, it is what it is. And you've got some nice toiletries there, and the bath is really small, but it's a lot better than that Disney one we were just in. The good thing about this is that you've got a second bedroom for the monsters. Sorry, I meant children to go in. And they've got, this comes like a little wardrobe area.
We've got a little tea. Oh, I didn't realise that. Got a tea.
Just got Alice's little suitcase now at the minute. USB. Nice night lights there. So the children are going to share this bed because they're small enough. TV on the wall. These little super handy hooks are under most shelving units. Puffy. Plenty of space.
Hello.
Another USB socket there.
It's quite complicated, but I figured it out.
As is common in Florida. This is the weather. Yeah. Not good. So there's quite a lot of surface water, so I'm not sure this vent is just a shower. It doesn't look like a shower to me. Like a Lincoln Storm, but there you go.
Why are they hiding?
Safe behind the door. It's very, very thin though.
I think she's...
Oh, I don't get much in there. Maybe get the MacBook or whatever. Back out into this area. Then you've got, as you come in the door, a lovely full-length mirror there with some hooks. That's really helpful. Nice pretend surfboard. Then we've got two beds. So, I wonder what's in here. Oh, it's just for show. It's just a bedside unit. It's nice though. Little alarm clock, USB, and two plugs there. Oh, it's fairly decently comfortable. Pillows are tiny, so if you've got a head the size of a hobbit, you'll be alright. Look at this light. Yeah, that's okay. I'm going to do a bit of bedtime reading. Then you've got this area over here. Nice decent TV. Hangy hooks. Love them. Phone. Nice picture on the wall. And then three of those drawers with the Bible. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, lovely. Oh, I'm just thinking, you know what? That wardrobe in the kids' room, that is the wardrobe. Well, that's quite tiny then. There's another plug socket there. Again with USB, so that's quite helpful. So it's a lot bigger than what I thought it was going to be. Another plug socket there. Plenty of space to charge up devices. Yeah. Looks alright to me. Surf and sand, sea salt face soap. Easy for me to say, put my teeth in. Facial soap. So actually, do you know what? If that's the wardrobe for a family of 4, it's pretty tiny. And there's nowhere to stow suitcases in there. I mean, that's Alice's cabin size one, and that's taking up the majority of the room. Never mind. So yeah, I mean, it's nice and airy and I like it. I quite like it in here. Oh, hang on. You can stick the suitcases under there. Clever. There you Gizzy's over there. So yeah, I think we're going to have a little snack in a minute, have a little drink, and then wait for this monsoon to finish. Catch in with you later.